In this video, we're going to go over the ad budget and schedule. So one of the first things that you want to take a look at here is the optimization for ad delivery, okay? And this gives us three different sections here that we can select. The first one here is talking about the impressions. They're going to deliver the ad to as many people as possible, as many times as possible, okay? And then the post engagement here is essentially what we're looking for, because what this is going to do is it's going to deliver the ads to the right people to help get the most likes, shares, comments, right, on the post for the lowest cost. And that's exactly what we're looking for here, right? We're looking to set up a page post engagement to be able to build that social proof, that engagement with our ad, so then we can reuse that particular ad on a conversion campaign, right? And be able to have that built-in social proof, that engagement, and be able to increase our amount of leads. Because once somebody has seen an ad and they see that it has a ton of engagement, likes, comments, right, shares, they're obviously going to be drawn to it and want to, find out what it's all about. And so this is what we're looking to accomplish here. This is what we want to optimize for, right? We want to show it to as many people as possible so that we can get the most interaction through it, right? And then right here, cost control. This is if you have a very specific cost that you want to stay within. I wouldn't worry about this right here. I would focus more down here on the ad schedule and budget. And normally what you want to start off with is at least $10 per day, okay? And what you can do is you can actually run your ads continuously, right? And not ever stop them. And believe it or not, for the local space, if you're doing like dentist, if you're doing like anything that's service based where it's not immediate, right? Then I would leave them continuously, right? Because you'll find that a lot of people sometimes are scrolling through their phone at night or on the weekends and they see an ad and then it really hits them and they want to, learn more and they'll submit their information. So running the ads continuously isn't necessarily a bad thing, and I highly recommend it. Now, if you have like a local service business that is only in operation for certain hours of the day, right, 9 to 5, you can go ahead and set that up here specifically. So let's go down over here now to the show me more options. Now, you're going to get charged per impression, right? This is not Google PPC. We're not getting charged by click. We're getting charged by each time somebody sees the ad. And then we have the ad scheduling here and the delivery type. So the delivery type, I'd leave this as standard here. I wouldn't worry about this. What you can also do is have like a lifetime budget, but I wouldn't recommend that for what we're doing here in the local space. And for the majority of the type of businesses that we're going to be working with, the daily budget is just fine. And just running the ads continuously and understanding that, some businesses may only want to run ads during the day, during certain hours, and we can set that up right here, okay? So this is really all you need to know here as far as the budget and schedule. Typically, if you're running ads, you're just going to be starting out with that $10 per day, and then you can increase the budget 20-25%, right? However, in the very beginning, you want to launch the ads and not touch them for a few days. And we're going to go over more into the optimization in another video. However, when you first start the ads, just a quick tip, you don't want to be doing anything at all with it. You want to let Facebook do its thing and gather data, right? And then after 3 days, 3 to 4 days, you want to look at what are the metrics, what does the data coming back look like, and then be able to optimize from there. Okay, so that's going to be here for the budget and schedule, and we'll see you on the next one.